So we're a digital print company, and we can do anything from a business card to large format to apparel to just about everything. And the main reason that we do what we do here is more or less for quality control and for the ability to be able to control the majority of our projects without having to go out and get them from somebody else. I think what is happening in the commercial print industry, as we all know, as we've been in it, if you've been in it for a while, there's a lot of people who are aging out. And a lot of times it's very difficult to pass that on like it has been traditionally done with businesses. And I think that, how we'll lead into how the whole OnPrintShop works is you are trying to keep control while it's not really looking like you're in control. When we go into a new customer and they are kind of, treading the waters and just like, hey, let me see how it does. I just say to them, look, we can do $10, $20, $50,000 orders. There's no problem with that. And everybody wants them. But it's how you take care of a $400 or $500 order. I tell the people, give me an order for $400. Let me show you the process. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you the communication. Let me show you the quality. And then, if you would like to keep going with us, try another one. As you go through it, what you're talking about, and not to pump up, on print too much, but the reality is you have to take one step backwards to create all this documentation that is prepared for your customer, like based upon what they have done and all of the things that they need. You have to get all this information in there. But once you get it in there, okay, of what they're doing and what their corporate standards are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first 5 are done in one thing. They go on, they automatically see the pricing of what they have, what it is. They can type in their variable data that they need. There's no pre-flight check, there's no proofing. It just goes in, they see a proof, boom, submit. And for the most part, the majority of our stuff with OnPrint is paid up front. So they go in, they submit artwork, and it's paid. So that takes off the back end of trying to figure out, like, how do I get my money? That directly goes right to the press, right? And also, because this is how we are, but press, shipping goes in, types in the job number that comes in from OnPrintShop, just types in the number. Everything pops up. They just type in the size of the box and the weight of the box, and it goes. One click, done. The customer gets, not only does the customer get an email with all their tracking information, it goes back into the system. So when they log back in and see, oh, when did I order this? Here's my history. What's the tracking number? Nobody found it. It's right there. Done. So this has made us, just tremendously more efficient. I handed off literally 46% of our sales in the first 6 months were handed off to another human to be able to just manage this, to make sure that it's efficient. Like one person to manage it, who is not as overall educated on the entire business as my main person is. So what this has happened is like 46%, boom, no problem. Boom, just goes, right? This has freed me as the owner and my main person who helps me with the new business that we get to be able to develop more new business more efficiently and quicker. And, it has allowed us to grow already, in like 7 months.